Hello everyone, welcome to Big Fusion Tips. In this video we're going to be going over shells in our 3D workspace. We're going to dive right into it, and the way you use a shell is basically, let's say we've made a 3D solid right here. We want to make it hollowed out on one face. So what we do, we click our shell, we would click on the face in which we would like to create the hole. Now once you click on it, this arrow will pop up, and as you can see, it will begin to hollow out the center point. Now as you can see here, we have 1 and 1.5 and 2. So basically what this does is it creates, there's this much space between the very outer edge of your solid to the inside part of where the hollowed out part is. Now what's neat about this is all sides are equal distance. So on this side is 2 millimeters, on this side is 2 millimeters all the way around. Now there's a lot of other things you can do with this shell as well. So we're going to go ahead and select it. You can select multiple faces. So we will select this one and this one, and once we do that, you will see it has hollowed out this piece here, and we can bring in to 2 millimeters, we can bring in 2.5, and so on and so forth. And we can go ahead and add more faces if we wish. And as you can see, we kind of make this corner here. So this is very, very handy tool to use in certain instances. You can also use it on bodies such as a cylinder. You can do it to hollow it out if you so wish. So we'll go ahead and hit our shell, click on the top portion here of our face, and as you can see, it does the same thing. It brings it in by 3 millimeters on all sides. Also the bottom will move up as well by 3 millimeters. So from the bottom to this inner portion here, that is also 3 millimeters. You can also make a 3D sphere in our quick click 3D shapes. We can hit shell and go ahead and bring it in. And if we go in, we will use something called a section analysis for this. And we will go ahead and section it, and you can see it has hollowed the center out. So this is the solid portion that we were cutting in half, and the inner piece here is actually hollow. So this tool is really, really neat to use. Cuts down a lot of time. You can also do an inside or an outside shell. So basically this inner portion here, if you were to go outside, this inner portion here would be the actual size of your original shell. So that would be this part here. So if we are to hit a shell and we'll do outside, you'll see right here is the boundary of where that hollow part is. So you can make it bigger or smaller. You can also do both. You can change it to whatever you want, but it will not go past the boundary of the actual size that you originally create the solid, as you can see. But you can adjust it in 2 different ways. You can do it with multiple faces as well. So that's pretty much all there is to shells, and that's basically how you go about making those. So we'll end this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. If these videos are helpful, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video. The next one will probably be on draft, so stick around for that. Until next time, stay creative.